Samsung is preparing to re-establish its presence in the foldable phone segment by launching its 6th-generation foldable series. Adopting a new strategy, Samsung plans to unveil 2 models of the Galaxy Fold 6 this time, which could be the Fold 6 and Fold 6 FE. We've heard about a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 model for a while now. According to ET News, Samsung plans to launch 2 Galaxy Z Fold 6 models, one with S Pen input functionality and another that doesn't support the stylus. Currently, Samsung sells the Galaxy Z Fold 5 without an S Pen slot or the stylus in the box. However, you can buy one separately and use it with the phone. This news could disappoint fans looking forward to an Ultra amidst Samsung's foldable line. Right after MWC 2024 ended, a Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumor emerged that Samsung might be developing an Ultra version of the handset. The report seemed to confirm that Samsung would sell a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 this year. But it also implied that rather than cutting the entry price of the current Fold 5 model, it would just launch a more expensive Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra alongside the base Fold 6. ET News added that Samsung is working on this new affordable model due to competition in the folding phone market from Chinese devices from the likes of Huawei, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. They cite research from DSCC that predicts Huawei will overtake Samsung in foldable sales for the first and second quarters of this year. The research company predicted that Huawei's growth will lead the foldable phone market to grow 105% year-on-year in Q1 2024. According to leaks, the Z Fold 6 will have a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED cover display and a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED inner display, both of which will support a 120Hz refresh rate. At the front, it could use the Corning Gorilla Armor for cover display protection, while the inner panel should use Samsung's ultra-thin glass. Both panels may support up to 2600 nits peak brightness. In addition, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone should have a triple sensor system on the back regarding optics, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies and video calls, there'll be a 10-megapixel camera on the cover display and a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the inner screen, similar to its predecessor. The battery size could be 4,600 milliamperes, and the charging speed could be 25 watts. The phone will also ship with One UI 6. 1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box, and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. It should also have the Galaxy AI features pre-installed. Regarding pricing, there's speculation that the Z Fold 6 could start at around $1,800, similar to the launch price of the previous model. However, there's also talk of a more budget-friendly version, the Z Fold 6 FE, which could make the foldable experience more accessible to a wider audience. The exact price will likely depend on the storage options and any additional features Samsung decides to include. Finally, we are expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to be announced in late July 2024 at an Unpacked event. Early buyers should be able to get their hands on the device by August 2024. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and until next time, take care.